Are there any limitations or restrictions on earning free FACEIT points?
Welcome to the ultimate guide on the limitations and restrictions of earning free FACEIT points. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to ensure you understand how to make the most of your FACEIT experience.
What are FACEIT points?
Before we dive into the limitations, let's quickly recap what FACEIT points are. FACEIT points are a virtual currency used on the FACEIT platform. You can use these points to redeem various items, including in-game skins, hardware, and other goodies.
Can anyone earn free FACEIT points?
The first question you might have is whether anyone can earn free FACEIT points. The answer is yes, but there are some requirements you must meet. 1. You must have a valid FACEIT account. 2. You need to participate in competitions and events that offer FACEIT points as rewards. As long as you meet these requirements, you can start earning free FACEIT points.
Are there any limitations to the number of points I can earn?
Now, let's talk about whether there are any limitations to the number of points you can earn. The answer is no. There are no specific limits to the number of points you can accumulate. However, your ability to earn points will depend on your participation in events and competitions.
How can I earn free FACEIT points?
There are several ways you can earn free FACEIT points on the platform. Some of the most common methods include 1. Participating in tournaments and leagues. Many tournaments and leagues on FACEIT offer points as rewards. By taking part and performing well, you can earn points. 2. Community events. FACEIT often hosts community events, such as contests and giveaways, where you can win points. 3. Referral program. If you invite friends to join FACEIT and they sign up using your referral link, you may be eligible to earn points as a bonus.
What should I watch out for when earning free FACEIT points?
While earning free FACEIT points is a great way to enjoy the platform, there are a few things you should keep in mind. 1. Beware of scams. Some individuals or websites may claim to offer free FACEIT points but actually want to steal your account information. Always be cautious and ensure you're participating in legitimate events. 2. Play fair. Cheating, abusing bugs, or engaging in any form of unsportsmanlike behavior may result in the loss of your points and even a ban from the platform. Always follow the rules and play fair. In conclusion, there are no specific limitations or restrictions on earning free FACEIT points. As long as you have a valid account, participate in events, and play fair, you can continue accumulating points on the platform. Stay vigilant, have fun, and enjoy your FACEIT experience.